Hi, happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. And I wanted to share with you some patterns that I have that would be great for Mother's Day to make for yourself or for your mother. And so I just wanted to share with you a few things that I had made over the years. All of the links for this will be down below. So if you're interested, you can take a look. And so I just want to show you some of these. So this is a sunflower, which is great for a coaster. And like I said, all of these links are down below, and a lot of these patterns do have videos if you need help. And some of you, if you have been following me, you may have already come across some of these patterns. So sunflowers are my favorite. I love sunflowers. It's one of my favorite flowers. So I had made a couple of them. This is two of them that I made. Then this one's a little bit more three-dimensional. Would be great for a granny square with it. You could add it, and then you could do a granny square with this one as well. So it's these two. And I believe both of these do have a video that came with it. And then I have this little pouch. It's a shell pouch. I loved how it turned out. As you can see, it's pretty big. And it's great for, I love the colors, the green and the purples. And this is great for anything. You can put your phone in there, some makeup, and pencils, just about anything. And this one, I know I have the pattern, but I'm not sure if this one I did make a video for. I'm not sure I did. But it's pretty easy. It's a shell stitch. I'd say it's about easy to, I wouldn't say it's a beginner, but it's once you familiarize yourself with the shell stitch, it goes along pretty well. So it's this one. And here is my other clutch purse, which does have a video, and this is one of my popular patterns. And it's great. You can make it, it's not too big. It's great for a night out. You can put your phone in there, some lipstick, stuff like that in there. And it has the little flap that goes with it with a cute little button. And like I said, this one, I love the color on this one. It's like a wine burgundy color. So there's this one, and the beginning part of it is pretty easy, and then it does get a little more detailed on the flap. And I really like how this one turned out. It's a Swirl Coaster, and this one does have a video, and it does have a pattern. All of them have patterns. And you can do this in two colors, and it's great for a coaster, great for mothers out there, for your mother or for yourself. And this one is just a really cute little pouch. If you made it big enough, I'm sure you could put your phone in there, and if you made it long enough too. But this one's like a little change purse. I really like this one. And my favorite color is green. So I did this one like in a really light green. And it has the button that you can place on it, and the button fastener opener. And I made this one out of cotton. And this one, I think I did make a video on this one too. Yeah, I think I did. So like a lot of these do have buttons or have videos. And then this one, it doesn't have to be an owl bag, but this is a really cute bag for on the go. And you can just shove all your stuff in there. Kind of like a little purse, and it doesn't have to be an owl bag. And this one, I don't think I made a video on it, but I did. I do have the pattern for this one. I made this one a really long time ago, probably over 4 years or longer. And owls were pretty popular back then, so I placed a little owl face on it. And it's pretty big. It's pretty roomy, as you can tell. Just a cute little purse. You can make it one color. That's great for mothers out there. And last but not least, I made this sun hat. This one I don't think has a video on it, but this is great for the summer coming up. It's a little floppy sun hat. So I'll put this one on. And this is what it looks like. You can make this in so many different types of yarns and materials. Okay, so I do want to say again, thank you everybody for subscribing, and thank you for all the positive comments, and thank you for watching all my videos. Okay, so I just want to say thank you again, and thank you everybody for watching.